Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Few more words about the project features. All the sound effects are included. Moreover, they are separated from each other.
Audio Jungle.
The adjustments are really flexible. You can select one of the 6 presets, including the one called No Shape.
Audio Jungle.
Shapes can be rotated to any angle. You can adjust the color, light, roundness, and the shadow behind the logo. Position of logo and text can be changed, as well as the text size. Switch between the original and custom color of your logo.
Audio
Adjust the shadow opacity. In few clicks, you can change the blurring of the background. You can make it approach, recede, or static.
Audio Jungle.
Of course, some compositions have their own custom settings.